Welcome to Learning Power. In this video, we are learning about using logarithm to solve. So in previous videos, we have looked at some laws of indices. And in this one, you will be looking at how to use logarithm to solve. Let's straight away get to examples to be able to understand better how it works. Now, the golden rule over here will be take log on both the sides. Take logarithm on both the sides. Example 1. 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 64. The question is, what is x equal to? 2 raised to what power is going to give us 64? 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. 2 to the raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4. 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 8. What would be the power to give us 64? So instead of just guessing numbers and taking a lot of time, we can solve this question easily, very quickly, using logarithm. So back to the golden technique, take logarithm on both the sides. So now in this question, what we're going to do is the logarithm of 2 to the power of x equals the logarithm of 64. That's taking the logarithm on both the sides. Now, according to the rules, the logarithm of a number raised to a power becomes the power first and then the logarithm of that number. So log of 2 to the power of x becomes x times log of 2. And the right hand side remains as it is. It is log of 64. So in this kind of questions, we'll be needing to use the calculator, but not now. Let's go a little bit further. So we're finding x. X would be equal to the logarithm of 64 divided by the logarithm of 2. Because the logarithm of 2 over here is multiplying, when it goes to the right hand side, it will do the opposite operation, which is divide. Now that's where the calculator comes handy. So on the calculator, we need to work out logarithm of 64 divided by logarithm of 2. Let's look at the calculator here. We'll turn it on. So where is the logarithm key? The logarithm key is just there above STO. So that's the log key. The logarithm of 64 divided by, so logarithm of 64 divided by the logarithm of 2. So logarithm of 64 divided by logarithm of 2, all I need to do now is to press the equal, and the answer is 6. So x is equal to 6, which means 2 raised to the power of 6 will give us 64. So this is how logarithm helps to solve a question very, very quickly. So the trick over here is to know that the log of a number to the power of something would be equal to the power of that multiplied by the log of the number through the laws of logarithms. Now the next one, 3 raised to the power of p is equal to 81. So take log on both the sides. The logarithm of 3 to the power of p is equal to the logarithm of 81. So log of a number raised to a power is same as that power multiplied by the log of that number. So log of 3 to the power of p is same as p times log of 3. And that equals the log of 81. So the p would be equal to logarithm of 81 divided by the logarithm of 3. So in short, you can also say log in long logarithm. That's where we will need the calculator. So what is that power of p? 3 raised to what power will give us 81? So let's go back to our calculator. We'll put it to 0. Log of 81. So log of 81 divided by the log of 3. Log of 3. Just make sure it's the same thing on the screen. Log of 81 divided by log of 3. Need to press the equal sign. 4. So the power over here is 4. the power p, which means 3 raised to the power of 4 is going to give us 81. So this is how we can use logarithms to solve an equation, to find an unknown power. So I hope you've learned about logarithms and how to use the calculator and the required steps to solve for an unknown power. Thanks for watching.